see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Yeah, came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. Don't hold no right. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look or high school. So I'm just going to be showing you what I personally do and how I tend to do my makeup. I don't wear makeup every single day, but towards the beginning of the school year I pretty much wear makeup for the most part. Then towards the end I start to not wear because we're just taking tests and no one's there, so there's just no point to want to look good and want to impress anyone. So this is what I do, and I'm going to show you guys how I beat my face. Alright, so this is my bare face with no makeup. I kind of filled in my eyebrows a little, but not too much because I'm growing them out. So I just put a little bit of brow powder on them, not a lot, just to darken them up a little. But yeah, this is my bare face, and if you see me looking this way, it's because I have a mirror right here. So yeah, that's why. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that, but let's get into the video.